from NCERT book, class 9th, mathematics, chapter number 6, lines and angle. In that topic is parallel lines and transversal lines. Now, what are called parallel lines? If two line L and line M are at the same distance and they are called parallel. Okay, if they have same distance, then they are parallel. Now, what is called transversal line? Now see, that line intersect two or more lines at the distinct point is called a transversal. When we call the transversal, that if a line intersect two or more lines, like here M and N, one line L is intersecting M and N, two or more, okay, then they are called transversal. Another example, if this is two parallel line and one line is intersecting, this line is called transversal line. Now let us see angles. What is called corresponding angles? Now what is called corresponding angles? If your angle is like this way, now here it is forming F. See, this is your line, okay, F forming this angle, and this angle is called corresponding. Like here angle 1 and angle 5 is corresponding to each other. How we can write that? Angle 1 and angle 5. Another pair, so another is like this way, F. Okay, if it is this, inner side angle we have to take. Now see, it is 2 and 6, so angle 2 and angle 6 corresponding to each other. Now say like this way, F and this F. Okay, whichever the angle forming here, they are called corresponding. Now we had done these two. Now another two we have to do, these two. Okay, so we will take this line and this line, so we will join this. Now this angle and this angle, so which is that angle is 4 and 8, so angle 4 and angle 8 corresponding to each other. Now another F, this one, so this side we have to take, so this F, these two line, inner side angle, okay, so angle 3 here it is, and angle 7. So which angle? Angle 3 and angle 7 corresponding to each other. So how many pair are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pair, right? Corresponding pair are 4 in this. Now another thing, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angle means this 3 and this 5. 3 and 5, this is interior, okay, only interior angle we have to take. This 3 and 5 are alternate interior, 3 and angle 5. Another pair is 4 and 6, okay, angle 4 and angle 4 and angle 6. We have to see like this way, cross, okay, this one and this one alternate interior angle, and this and this. This is interior angle. Now what is alternate exterior angle? So in that is 2 and 8, okay, here 2 angle 8, so here it is angle 2 and angle 8, because here exterior, so we have to take exterior angle only. Now interior, so only interior angle only. Now your second pair is remaining, so angle 1 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 7. Here also we have to take cross, so angle 1 and angle 7. Now co-interior angle. Now co-interior angle means only this side we have to take. So 4 angle 4 plus angle 5, which is equal to 180. In co-interior, angle 4 and angle 5. This way, this bracket, okay. So this bracket we have to see. So it is 3 and 6. So angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. So this is called co-interior angle. If you plus this, then it is equal to 180. Exam 6.3. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal, such that here transverse parallel line, okay, which is intersecting one transversal. So if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines like this way, then their corresponding angles are equal. Now corresponding is this one and this one. So if one, this is 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If we'll take another corresponding angle, so this one and this one. So angle named as 3 and 4. So angle 3 equal to angle 4. Okay. So all corresponding angles are equal. Now exam 6.4. If a transversal intersect two lines such that the pair of corresponding angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Now here it is parallel line, one is transversal. If their corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that they are two parallel lines. Okay. Theorem: if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. Now transversal intersect two parallel lines, then the alternate like angle this BQR and QRC is equal. Like this one is equal and this two is also equal. Okay, alternate interior angle are equal. Theorem 6.3. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel. Now in different way, first line they had written that alternate pair are equal, then we can say the two lines are parallel. Same way in corresponding angles, the same way they had written that if pair of alternate are equal, then their line are parallel, and if line are parallel, then the alternate interior angle are equal. Okay. Now theorem 6.4. If the transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary. Now here that it is meaning that if a transversal intersect two parallel lines such as this one, okay, then the interior angle of same side, interior angle on the same side of the transversal, that means co-interior angle is supplementary, means 180. So angle Q plus angle R, these two angle if we'll plus it, then it is 180. Okay, so co-interior angle is supplementary. Now theorem 6.5. If the transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angle of the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Now if it is supplementary means 180, then these two lines are parallel. Okay, only reverse point they are written. Lines parallel to the same line. If two lines are parallel to the same line, will there be parallel to each other? See, now if line L is parallel to M, if line L is parallel to M, okay, and M is parallel to N, and M is parallel to N, so we can say that L is parallel to N, L is parallel to N. Okay, with that, if this is correspondence, Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because it is correspondence, and angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Okay, with these two we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 also. Okay, so correspondence are same. Now theorem 6.6, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other, like this way. If L is parallel to M, M is parallel to N, and L is also parallel to N.